Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. The dark is here to rule.
Usumbut Menteri Rangba Kejalau bak senyau bahalang dahar. Ubapet ru ia ketanat penroisor ulai tu bagajing alang ben bishar banyak ia ki projek ki bala penteri kam hapo ke sor shalong. Kan salong hak khatsan trek uleber arjar arpulai. Bar hak ni kejing alang on se kren saniru. Hak bay day bagajing Pynkynriah ia ki laispa saupu Tylli ki Longïing na sweeper koloni kabadon hatem Ïewmawlong. Hak kejing kren bikilat patai kubur ubak senyau bahalang dahar ulong ki projek jong ke smart city ki ban saya Ïathir yatai hak kejing alang. Kilong halor kejing sna ia ke yau shalong halai mukhra. Kejing sna thama ia ke yau hapulu kejing sna ia ki surok bat ki way day ki kam.
At my level as urban minister, and after that will be the chairman of the high level committee will call a meeting and will take a call. We will invite to tomorrow because since after election, I used to say that after election we'll see this issue. So tomorrow as urban minister, first meeting I'll be calling tomorrow at my level in my office. And after that we'll sit as a state, so we have to call them obviously. And at the same time, since the court have used some time also, you have to see from the court side so on. But we want to solve it at the earliest if possible. Only departmental meeting to discuss about that. Review meeting at 12 o'clock to update all the ongoing project. But all project is under progress, it's in progress. So tomorrow 12 I'm having a meeting about the urban review, including smart city. Tomorrow, because tomorrow is the review meeting, the latest how much we receive last. Maybe there is some gap in this 2-3 month election time. So now in the moment like crab markets, polo market yet to complete on the completion stage, and all this, the other like smart road also there, and there is some other cleaning project also is on, some solar projects is there. All the projects is well progress as of now. But tomorrow I'll be getting what are the physical progress and financial progress. Actually, you see different work order, different time of completion. Because some work order 36 months, some work orders 24 months based on the size of the project. So we will try to do it at the earliest. So hopefully I'll try to do my best in this days to come to complete in time. 90% complete the road project. Just to inform you. Just in the span of 2 months only 90% complete now. You can visit by yourself, all the road is fully resurfaced now. As per report, they will complete within 10 days. Next 10 days. Execution is still on, and that smart road is almost complete, and the joy execution is still under progress, which falls on the round. I'm having a review tomorrow. I will be able to tell you what are the physical progress. Maybe that you want to know.